So that's the 34th Street entrance. Right there on the steps here. I like this because the cab could drop you mid-street. You could come into the facility, and then they have elevators there, which is really good. So you can use the elevators, you can use the stairs. You have many options here. And then when you walk in the facility, you come in the facility, you see how big it is. It's very spacious here. So they're supposed to be opening up a food court at some point over here. But if you look on the top there, it says 33rd Street offices, ride services. Then you come on this side. Oh, and they have glass over here too, guys. Would you look at this? Wow. So this is going to be where the food court is, right over here. Oh, wow. So guys, I just think I learned something new here. And this is what I've learned.
This is the last call for Amtrak Northeast.
Let's see if the hand sanitizer works. It does work. What's nice is, if you're coming in a cab, tell the cab to drop you off on 33rd Street, because if you do, you can just come in through 33rd Street. And then you can just enter the facility this way. So I'll show you. Your cab can park right there, right? And then you can just come in to the Pavilion Lounge. You don't have to take the stairs or come up the other way. So that's really good. And then, I wonder if they have an entrance for wheelchairs here. They don't. So there was only one error that they made. They don't have, because I don't see, oh there it is, right? There was this lady standing. There it is. There it is. So they do have an automatic wheelchair entrance. So you can come in, if you're coming in a cab, it's better to come via 33rd Street, because then you don't have to go up the escalators. You can just come right here, flat in. If you're coming in a wheelchair, you could just bring the wheelchair in, and this is the way to the post office. So that's 8th Avenue and 33rd, and that's the post office. So let's see where this goes. And look, they got plants in here, which is good. And they do tell you the departures, and they tell you all the long railroad stops up here, which is nice. And then they're gonna have a food hall, I'm assuming, on this side. So I gotta give them credit. They really got this right. And it's not often that they get things right, but show you the angle from here. Look at this beautiful ceiling. So guys, tracks 5 and 6 are in here. Somebody had asked me about that, but tracks 5 and 6 are in here. They do have them. So this way. So why don't we do this? What I'm gonna do is, we have several ways we could come up and down. So I think maybe I should come down this way, and then we could do the escalator later. Try that. Look at these marble steps, guys. 11. Okay.
I think maybe in time that you
Oh, one thing, guys, look at this. LIRRK is here. Oh, this is very nice. Is this the LIRRK for the elevators and the escalators? For people with disabilities, right?
Right.
Thank you. This is so nice.
Yeah, pretty nice. It is pretty nice.
Wow. So guys, if you're coming in a wheelchair or you have a mobility impairment or if you're disabled, you can come right to this counter here. The Long Island Railroad has a special counter and it's called LIRR Care, and there's a staff representative who's here who'll be more than happy to assist you guys. So again, I'm sure everyone at the railroad would be very proud to see this, and I'm gonna have more for you guys in a few seconds in my next part.